Hi, M5772. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Josepina Siriaco, 45 years old, and I have only daughter, 20 years old, taking up college, third year college,
Okay.
and I'm married, but my husband is bedridden now for 6 years, so that's why I need this job.
Okay, and your religion
I'm a Christian. Good day and God bless to my future employer.
and your highest educational attainment.
I'm a third year college. I'm taking up BS Computer Science, take undergraduate, third year college.
Okay. Since you have an experience being a helper here in the Philippines and also in UAE, right? Tell
Yes.
me about first your experience here in the Philippines.
Um, Here in Philippines, I'm cleaning the house, do the laundry and ironing also, and taking care of a newborn baby.
Okay, and you also have another experience in UAE, right? Tell me about your experience as a helper in UAE.
Yeah, I worked there for 2 years. I'm also cleaning the house, do the laundry, ironing, taking care of elderly, and focus on the child also, newborn baby.
Okay, you will also focus on the child taking care of a newborn. Okay, since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, um, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
First, I need to wash my hand and wash the bottle and
Okay,
sterilize it, and then put the right amount of lukewarm water and then right amount of powdered milk, and then shake it well, and then test the temperature and give it to the baby.
okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature, the tummy, and the diaper if it's full, I will change it.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the diaper, you also change the temperature. Everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work. What will you do?
If it's time to tell my madam that the baby doesn't stop crying.
Okay, because maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry.
Yes.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Yeah, because in Hong Kong, the people there is kind and hospitable, and they give good salary, and that salary is enough for me to provide for my family.
For the family needs. And
Yeah.
how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs me, I'm willing to extend my contract.
So it is okay to you to sign another contract if your employer wants you to extend, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No,
But
but
it is okay to you to learn.
yes,
Okay,
I'm
and how
willing
will you
to.
learn to cook?
I through YouTube and through book recipes. Yeah.
Okay, you can also buy some recipe books and also
Yeah.
watch on YouTube tutorial because there's a lot of YouTube tutorials how to prepare Chinese food. And you could
Mm.
also ask for help of your madam and sir if they want to teach you how to prepare Chinese food. It is
Yes.
okay to you to learn with them, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
it is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share jobs with the helper.
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
It's okay with me.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday set up by your employer.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes. I love
Taking
pets.
care of an elderly. It is okay with you.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes. I'm willing to
Okay.
learn.
My last question is what will be your message for your future employer?
Yeah, to my future employer, if you choose me, I'm a hardworking person. I'm honest, and I have a lot of patience in everything, and I'll do my best in everything I do. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Josefina.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless. Thank you.
Okay.